Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete unwanted emails from Gmail on your phone. Deleting unwanted emails from Gmail is very important. It will free up a lot of space and boost the processing speed. Let us begin by opening Gmail, where I currently have 3,000 emails in the inbox. To streamline the deletion process, follow these steps and then click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then select See All Settings, navigate to the Inbox tab, choose Updates under Categories, and then scroll down and click Save Changes. This action will significantly reduce the inbox count, as most emails are now categorized under Updates. Now, explore the Updates page, which consolidates auto-generated emails such as notifications, newsletters, bills, and statements. Identify frequent senders and streamline the cleanup process. For instance, if HDFC sends numerous emails, then right-click to Next HDFC and select Find Emails from HDFC. All HDFC emails will be displayed. To delete them, click the checkbox to select all. Click Select All Conversations. Now press Delete and confirm by clicking OK. Then repeat this process for other prolific senders. If you wish to disable the Updates page, after that, go to Settings and select See All Settings. Now under Inbox, uncheck the box next to Updates. Once you are done, click to save all changes. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.